When replacing the siding on a Seattle home, the boards you choose matter, but the real test is whether the wall behind them stays dry. In the Pacific Northwest, your home must endure months of relentless rain, intense freeze-thaw swings, and shaded walls that stay damp long after the storms pass. This matrix shows the gap between appearance and reality. The left shows a painted exterior. The right reveals the hidden truth. Moisture reaching the structure causes rot and mold. Water quietly infiltrates through failing caulk and outdated window trim. Fiber cement, a blend of cement, sand, and cellulose fibers, is engineered specifically to resist the swelling, rot, and pests that plague traditional wood. While it is incredibly durable, fiber cement serves as the outer skin of your home, not a standalone waterproofing layer. A premium exterior cannot protect a home if the underlying wall envelope is already failing. A James Hardie project only protects a Seattle home when it is treated as a complete waterproofing system instead of a surface-level board replacement. Covering up soft or rotting sheathing just to keep a project moving is a mistake that traps moisture inside your walls. A correct wall assembly requires specific layers: siding, flashing, house wrap, and sheathing. The house wrap is critical. A drainable barrier forces trapped water away. Around windows, Z-metal flashing prevents moisture from finding a path behind the siding. Proper house wraps and meticulous flashing increase initial labor costs and require specialized contractor discipline. Taking shortcuts on these hidden layers risks rotting the home from the inside out, regardless of how much you spend on the siding itself. Once the wall envelope is secure, you can choose visible layers that match your architectural goals. This decision tree shows the path for different styles. For craftsman or traditional Seattle homes, Hardie plank lap siding and Hardie shingle profiles provide the best fit. Shingles require more complex layout planning than standard lap boards to achieve an authentic staggered look. For modern designs or board and batten aesthetics, Hardie panel vertical siding offers the cleanest lines. Smooth panels are unforgiving. Their flat surfaces immediately reveal any framing imperfections or flashing errors to anyone passing by. The chosen siding profile dictates the exact mathematical precision the installation crew must maintain. You also have to choose between a factory-baked finish and a primed custom-painted finish. Color Plus technology provides a consistent factory-applied color that resists fading and eliminates job site painting complexity. This limits you to specific factory palettes and requires the crew to handle boards with extreme care to avoid scratching the surface. Primed products are the alternative, offering unlimited color flexibility to match your exact vision. But you become responsible for a premium paint schedule that withstands Pacific Northwest moisture. This shows why details matter. Using cheap sealants or ignoring clearance gaps allows moisture to rapidly wick into the unprotected cut edges of the material. A high-end finish will not survive if the installation crew fails to manage cut-edge clearances and sealant standards correctly. These waterproofing and layout principles are the standard for KV Construction's daily field operations. In Finney Ridge, KV uses smooth Hardie panels to execute modern designs with the specialized layout and flashing precision these projects demand. In Lake Stevens, the team uses Z-metal flashing and restricted air barriers to ensure homes remain dry and high-moisture environments. This level of work is intended for homeowners and investors who want a durable, one-and-done replacement of the building's exterior envelope. This process is not a fit for those seeking a quick cosmetic cover-up or a simple patch for a few loose boards. A successful James Hardie upgrade requires a systemic approach to the entire building envelope that surface-level repairs cannot match. When you start receiving estimates, how do you correctly compare bids from different siding contractors? As this scorecard shows, comparing bids solely on price is a common trap. Verify the scope explicitly includes old siding removal, sheathing inspection, and dry rot repair. Finally, check the labor structure for direct owner involvement and consistent in-house crews. Look for a comprehensive workmanship warranty, like the 5-year guarantee from KV, which protects you separately from the manufacturer's product warranty. If you are ready for a full siding replacement, request a free, comprehensive siding consultation with KV Construction. Combining the right fiber cement products with Pacific Northwest waterproofing expertise, ensures your home stays protected and dry for decades.